Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about that cleaning motivation. We're gonna start by cleaning and organizing the storage spaces, moving on to finally taking down all the Christmas decor, and finally arranging and cleaning the bathroom shelves. If you have watched the home tour video, you must have noticed that we have two storage spaces where we keep all our toiletry stuff, travel bags, packaging material, and so on. Beginning with the storage space here, we have these wooden shelves perfect to keep all our toiletries such as our detergents, hand washes, cleaning supplies, vacuum, and so on. So, first things first, I started by cleaning the entire space so that we can see what we have in here and what we need to work with. Having all the cleaning supplies in the boxes made it really difficult to see what we have in stock. So I decided that I'm going to place all the cleaning supplies straight onto these shelves. In this way, we can have easy access to everything. Moving on to the second storage space, here we have a lot of storage boxes, the ironing board, the Christmas decor storage boxes, and so on. I started by clearing and taking everything out and then vacuuming the area. Well, if you guys are wondering what are these storage boxes kept here for, they come really handy when moving places. I'm also going to keep here the travel bags that belong to one of my flatmates. I keep my travel bags in my room because they are comparatively smaller in size and easily slide under my bed. Moving on to the living room, now that the festive season is all over, it's time to take down the Christmas decor. Well, I know it's been a while since the festive season ended, and I did take down the decor end of last week after the Feast of Epiphany. But getting this video edited and uploaded did take a while due to my busy schedule. And I hope you understand, guys. Juggling with work, study, and YouTube sometimes gets really difficult. Is it that you guys also feel sad taking down the Christmas decor? Well, I do feel sad putting away the Christmas tree and all the decor. We leave everything up until the 7th of January, and once we take it down, the house looks so bare and empty, and it's such a sad feeling. Well, I know some people like to take down their decor right after the day of Christmas, while some leave it until New Year, but I personally like to keep our Christmas decorations until the Feast of Epiphany. If you're wondering how did the wreath that was initially put up on the door end up on the window, well, it's because the tape couldn't hold up the weight of the wreath while it was on the door. And as a result, since we already had purchased these tiny little vacuum hooks, we ended up putting the wreath on the window glass. Now that everything was put back in storage, I put up the curtain and finally vacuumed the space. Also, to make the place smell fresh, I sprayed this room and fabric freshener, which is in the fragrance mango punch. Moving on to the bathroom shelves, this is definitely a new day, and if you see, we have a ton of bath and skincare products here. Well, all the four of us use different products, and sometimes the storage isn't enough, but it is what it is. I'm gonna work shelf by shelf so that in this way I'm not confused and end up mixing one person's product with the other. Also, to let you know, guys, one very good thing about this place is that we have communal cleaning. So all the common areas, that is the kitchen, the living area, and the washrooms, get cleaned once a week. So in this way, we kind of, don't have to be bothered about cleaning our common areas. Well, as we come to the end of today's video, I hope today's video gave you a ton of motivation to clean up your space, whether you live in a shared apartment like me or in your own home. If you did, then please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified for further videos. Until then, bye bye, stay safe, and take care.